Morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. So this is our daily vlog. So today I'm just waiting for my supplier para ibigay ang aking in-order na salamin. And yan, tingnan mo namumula yung aking face. So I think it's the 5th day of applying nung Jeju Aloe Eyes. And tignan nyo naman, medyo namumula pa yung face ko. So I'll give a review of it after 7 days. So please watch out for it. And later, I'll show you how I unbox my job orders from suppliers. Okay guys, laters! Nga pala, shout out to my cousin, kay Kuya Gilbert, and to Raisa. And yan, sorry ang gulo ng background ko. Nandito kasi ako sa rotating chair. So, eto na guys, yung ating isang job. And we will unbox this. So, we got this from Essilor. So, may makikita pa yung see more, do more, kanilang box. And yes, I'll open this here. Ayan. So, here's the client's eyeglasses. So, nakarap po siya with plastic and then tissue para protective yung salamin niya. Okay. So, yan. Since this is a progressive type of lens, nandito pa rin yung ating dot markings. And this is for distance. So, ito po yung ating distance, intermediate, and near. So, progressive lens is for 40 pataas na patients. So, I will check this sa lenso, and if okay naman yung grade na naka-base dun sa prescription, we will put it sa ating eyeglass case, and then it's ready to go para sa ating client. So, i-check din natin kung okay ba yung kanyang adjustments, kung pantay ba. So far, okay naman. Ayan. So, ito yung ating glasses. Capture. So, pantay naman po. So, it's ready to our packaging na. So, basic stuff. The progressive niya is digital lens naman. So, okay naman yung grade. Nakuha naman natin. Tama naman siya. Ayan. So, mamaya papatry ko to sa client ko kung okay na siya. And, I'll let him practice kung paano siya gamitin. So, here's our case and wiper. Naglagay na rin ako ng info namin dyan. And then, we will put na the glasses inside. Yan. And then, ready to seal. And of course, itatap ko dito yung info ng client. And yan, nalagay na natin sa eco bag. So, when the client came here or comes here, yan, okay naman ang ating salamin. Presentable. Yan, so ganito po guys. And I will put it na dun sa ating box. Ayan, so I hope may natutunan na naman tayo today sa ating unboxing and wrapping of optical eyeglasses. And if you like this feed, please give this video a thumbs up sign, a heart sign, or a like sign. And please do subscribe to my channel and to my main page as well, na Mears16 or Mears Chavez. And if may mga comments pa kayo or suggestions or gusto ipatry, just let me know and comment down below. Share this friends if naging helpful po to sa inyo. Salamat guys and God bless you. Have a great